All right, to the Reddit electric scooters and electric scooters mod group, and to my YouTube channel, Timbuktu EV Journeys. So as you can see, I took the battery off. Everything is off right now, and the battery is encased in aluminum. I'm suspending the battery with I think they call it plug packing. So let me show you what that looks like. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So it's just, basically I'm just suspending the battery. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pads. 3 on the back, 3 on the top, 3 on each side, and then on the bottom. Just a little bumper right here for that. And that's it. Just ready. I'm gonna spray paint this aluminum case. I'm gonna spray paint it. I'm gonna prime and spray paint it matte black, and just to match the scooter itself, and it should be good. Everything so far has been great. And if you have any questions or any inquiries or any suggestions, let me know. Thank you.